Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change Power BI to dark mode. So once you launch up Power BI, I want you to come here at the top left and click on File, okay? And you get all of these options. I want you to come all the way at the bottom here and click on Options and Settings. So once we click on this, we get two options. Just click on the first option that says Options, okay, with the gear cog. Now, once these options load up, I want you to come here to Global, okay, and choose Report Settings, right? So once we click on this, I want you to scroll down until you see Customize Appearance, okay? So we can choose an option, click on this to get the drop down, and from here you can see Dark Mode. So I choose Dark Mode, and then I just come here and click on OK. And then just wait a few seconds. And as you can see, Power BI is now changing to dark mode, right? Really that easy and simple.